GitHub. With over 400 million repositories, finding the true gems can feel impossible. But what if I told you there are specific repositories that can transform your entire programming journey? Today, I'm breaking down the essential GitHub repositories that cover everything from learning paths to interview prep, from free tools to system design. Whether you're just starting out or you're a senior engineer, these repos will change how you code. Let's dive in. Awesome Lists Collection. Number 11. Awesome Lists Collection. The Awesome project is a meta-repository, a curated list of curated lists covering every programming topic imaginable. There are over 600 awesome lists. Programming languages: Awesome Python, Awesome JavaScript, Awesome Rust. Frameworks and libraries: Awesome React, Awesome Vue, Awesome Django. Development tools: Awesome VS Code, Awesome Git, Awesome Docker. Specific domains: Awesome Machine Learning, Awesome Blockchain, Awesome IoT. Career topics: Awesome Remote Jobs, Awesome Developer Streams. Strict contribution guidelines ensure only valuable resources are included. Thousands of contributors maintain and update lists. It's the ultimate discovery tool for quickly finding the best resources for any technology. All awesome lists follow similar structures for easy navigation. Perfect for developers exploring new technologies, finding best-in-class tools, or discovering community-recommended resources. Clean Code JavaScript. 12. Clean Code JavaScript. An adaptation of Robert C. Martin's Clean Code principles specifically for JavaScript developers, with practical examples. Every principle is demonstrated with before and after code comparisons. Uses modern ES6+ features and current best practices. Core principles covered include variables, meaningful names, avoiding mental mapping, using searchable names. Functions: single responsibility, descriptive names, minimal arguments, avoiding side effects. Objects and data structures following the law of Demeter, preferring composition over inheritance. Classes with solid principles applied to JavaScript. Testing: importance of tests, single concept per test, readable tests. Concurrency: promises over callbacks, async/await patterns. Error handling: don't ignore caught errors, graceful degradation. Formatting: consistent formatting, meaningful indentation. Comments: when to use them and when not to. There's even a TypeScript version available. The principles are language-agnostic wisdom applicable beyond just JavaScript. Ideal for JavaScript developers wanting to write more maintainable code, teams establishing coding standards, or code reviewers looking for objective quality criteria. Coding Interview University. 13. Coding Interview University. A comprehensive, multi-month study plan for becoming a software engineer at major tech companies, created by someone who successfully used it to land a job at Amazon. This is a complete self-study curriculum with a structured plan covering computer science fundamentals from the ground up. Detailed coverage of data structures, arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, hash tables, trees, heaps, graphs. Algorithms including sorting, searching, graph traversal, dynamic programming, greedy algorithms. Complexity analysis, Big O notation, time and space complexity calculations. Computer architecture, memory, cache, processes, threads. Operating systems, processes, threads, concurrency, locks, mutexes, semaphores. System design, scalability, distributed systems, consistency. Additional CS topics like compilers, networking, databases, cryptography. Specific books, videos, and courses recommended for each topic. Realistic time estimates for how long each section takes. Links to practice problem sets for reinforcement. The author transparently documents their learning process with a daily checklist to track progress systematically. Perfect for self-taught developers filling CS fundamentals gaps or bootcamp graduates preparing for technical interviews. Design resources for developers. 14. Design resources for developers. A curated collection of design tools, assets, and learning resources specifically for developers who need design skills. Comprehensive resource categories include UI graphics, free illustrations, icons, logos, vectors, fonts, font libraries, pairing tools, typography resources, colors, palette generators, gradient tools, accessibility checkers, stock photos, high-quality free image repositories, stock videos, free footage for video projects, UI components, pre-built component libraries, design systems, CSS frameworks, Bootstrap alternatives, utility-first frameworks,
CSS animation, animation library, keyframe generator,
JavaScript animation, GSAP, anime.js, 3.js resources, design inspiration, portfolio sites, design showcases, pattern libraries, prototyping tools, Figma, Adobe XD, sketch resources and tutorials, plus learning materials on design principles, color theory, and typography basics. Everything is developer-focused, designed for those without formal design training. Regularly updated with new tools and resources. Essential for full-stack developers, solo entrepreneurs, freelancers handling their own design, or anyone wanting to improve their design eye. Project-based learning. And finally, number 15, project-based learning. A curated list of programming tutorials where you learn by building real projects, organized by programming language. Every resource teaches through building complete, functional applications. Tutorials available for C, C++, C#, Go, Python, JavaScript, Rust, and over 15 more languages. Project variety includes web applications, build clones of Twitter, Instagram, Airbnb, Netflix. Games, create 2D and 3D games, roguelikes, puzzle games. Utilities, text editors, command line tools, package managers, compilers and interpreters. Build your own programming language. Operating systems. Create a simple OS from scratch. Blockchain. Implement cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Machine learning. Build neural networks, recommendation systems. Bots. Discord bots, Twitter bots, Telegram bots. Projects range from beginner-friendly to advanced. Available in both video and written formats to accommodate different learning styles. The community keeps links current and adds new projects regularly. Perfect for hands-on learners, developers building portfolio projects, or students wanting practical experience beyond coursework. And that wraps up today's tour of 5 amazing GitHub repositories rocket. From awesome lists that open the door to endless resources, to clean code JavaScript that sharpens how you write and think about code, Coding Interview University to help you crack those tough interviews, design resources for developers to level up your UI game, and project-based learning to turn knowledge into real-world skills. These repos can seriously accelerate your developer journey. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more dev content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload bell. And don't keep all this goodness to yourself. Share this video with your friends who are learning to code or preparing for interviews. Thanks for watching, keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next One Laptop Computer Sparkles.